Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing fine. Today I'm going to share with you all a very simple recipe of mixed vegetable curry. You can have it whether at brunch or lunch or dinner, and even the beginners can make it. You just need to have a few seasonal vegetables to make it, and yes, you can use a pack of frozen vegetables as well if you don't have any fresh on the hand. So let's see how you can very easily make it at home. Let's go together and look at the ingredients together. Let's start. Okay guys, for the mixed vegetable curry or Sabzi ka Salan, we'll be needing some mixed vegetable. Here I've taken some potatoes, carrots, peas and cabbage, some chopped onions, chopped ginger, garlic and chili paste, some pureed tomatoes. For the garnishing here we have some coriander, chopped chilies and some julienne cut ginger. And for the spices, we'd be needing some salt, red chilli powder, crushed red chilli flakes, some fenugreek leaves, some carom seeds, some cumin seeds, garam masala powder, some mustard seeds, turmeric powder, and coriander powder. To cook, we're going to heat some oil in a wok. We'll be crackling some mustard seeds first, and after that we're going to add the chopped onions and going to saute till it turns transparent. After that we're going to add the crushed green chili, ginger and garlic, and going to fry all of these together for a few seconds. After a few seconds of frying, we are going to add our pureed tomatoes along with all of the spices, and we'll also be adding some water so that our spices don't burn. We are going to cook our masala till the masala is prepared, and you will know when the oil is separated. Everything is going to be homogeneous, and once that's done, we're going to add our vegetables. We're just going to save the cabbage because the reason being that the cabbage cooks very quickly and we don't want it to get really overcooked. So we're going to add at the point when our vegetables are done, and we're just going to put the cabbage on simmer so that it stays crunchy, but it's going to be cooked through as well. We're going to stick the lid on and we'll let our vegetables cook on simmer for a few minutes. And after like 5 or so minutes, we're going to take off the lid and we'll stir our vegetables. And if there is still a lot of wet water left, you can let it cook for a few minutes more. But if it isn't, just garnish with some coriander leaves, give another mix, and for a few seconds, stick the lid on again. After a few minutes, now it's time to serve our salan. We are going to take it out in a serving bowl. We'll be garnishing it with green coriander, chopped green chilies and ginger julienne, and we'll also be sprinkling some garam masala powder on top, and we'll serve it with either roti, pulka, chapati, paratha or rice. And that's the final look, guys. I hope you guys are going to like this recipe and will try it, and will definitely be leaving feedback. As always, all of the ingredients and their measurements along with all of my social media handles are mentioned in the description box below. I shall be back again with more. In the meantime, take good care of yourself, keep liking, commenting, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Bye for now.